Hey guys, what's going on? It's Clever Techie, and in this video we're going to learn how to create a new text file on Windows 11. First, let's go ahead and right mouse click anywhere on a desktop. That will bring up this context menu. Let's go ahead and select New, and then in the second menu here, select Text Document. And let's go ahead and give this text document a name. April 20th, 2026, which is today's date, and press enter. And we have now successfully created a new text file. Now let's go ahead and add some text. So let's go ahead and select the file and right click on it, and then select edit in notepad in the context menu. That will open up the notepad, and here we can just add some text. Today on April 2026, I am creating a new video for my Clever Techie YouTube channel on how to create a new text file on Windows 11. So now that we have added the text, let's go ahead and go to File, Save, and that will save the content. That will save the text contents that we have just added to our text file. Go ahead and go to File, Exit. And that is how easy it is to create a new text file with the extension .txt on Windows 11. I hope you guys liked this video. If you did, please like, share, and subscribe. And I'll see you next time. Clever Techie out.